Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we going to checking out 5 best dehumidifier you can buy right now. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best dehumidifier in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is NineSky Dehumidifier for home. This dehumidifiers adopts semiconductor condensation technology with quiet working feature, efficiently for removing the moisture in the air. Enjoy comfortable life. Smart dehumidifier with auto shut-off function when the water tank is full or in a wrong position, perfect to prevent the water from overflowing when you did not notice, very safe and convenient to use when you are not at home. This dehumidifier for bedroom has 7 changing lights, which could be set steady on your preferred color, could serve as a night light, creates a sweet and romantic sleeping atmosphere for you. High speed mode with powerful speed for quickly and efficiently reduce the humidity. Our second best dehumidifier is ToLife Dehumidifiers. This dehumidifier comes in 7 different colors that are constantly changing. You can choose a color you like and lock it, which can be used as a night light to create a cozy and romantic sleeping atmosphere. However, if you do not like the light, you can also choose to turn it off. The dehumidifier offers a powerful mode that efficiently reduces humidity, allowing for quick and effective moisture elimination. Additionally, it has a sleep mode with a low-speed operation that operates quietly less than 30 dB while you sleep. You can switch between the 2 modes depending on your needs. This dehumidifiers utilize semiconductor condensation technology, ensuring quiet operation while effectively extracting moisture from the air. This advanced feature helps maintain humidity levels below 45% and creates a comfortable and cozy living environment for you. Third pick in our list is TTYHC Dehumidifiers. TTYHC Dehumidifier equipped with upgraded double dehumidification condensers and 101 ounces larger water tank, it can collect a max of 1000 milliliters excess moisture per day in a closed room with humid environment of 86°F and 80% RH. The dehumidifiers for bedroom can effectively cover up to 800 square feet of space. Greatly help you get rid of all kinds of humid problems and enjoy a comfortable living environment. The bathroom dehumidifier is built with a 101 ounces larger transparent water tank, no need to pour water frequently. When the water tank is full or positioned incorrectly, the small dehumidifier will auto shut off and flash red light to remind you, perfectly preventing overflow. The auto-off function will bring you a big convenience and greatly ensures safety even when you're not at home. Number 4 in our side is NineSky 30 ounces Dehumidifier. This dehumidifiers for home use semiconductor condensing technology with quiet working characteristics to effectively remove moisture from the air, creating a comfortable home environment for you. This dehumidifier for basement has only 2 control buttons. One is the on or off switch and the other is the light control, getting rid of the complicated design and a lot. Our dehumidifier for bedroom has 3 options for LED lights. When the dehumidifier is on, it has 7 ever-changing lights. The first time you click light control, it can be steadily set on your favorite color. The second time you click light control, the lights will be turned off. Our dehumidifier for bathroom has an automatic shut-off function when the water is full. That firstly the warning sound will sound 5 times. Last in our best dehumidifier list is Midea Dehumidifier. This model has quiet operation as 47 dBA. Enjoy sleep, a good book, or your favorite show without the disturbing noise of a traditional dehumidifier. This unit is Energy Star certified and saves 19% energy when compared to traditional dehumidifiers. This dehumidifier is Wi-Fi enabled and can be controlled from anywhere through the cloud using the M Smart Home app on iOS or Android. You can also use voice commands throughout your house, office, or apartment using Alexa or Google Assistant. Simply empty the water tank when it is full or connect a standard hose to the built-in socket for continuous draining.